right hand. Sleep. Lose limp and relax. Lose limp and relax. Continue to go deeper and deeper, deeper and deeper. Sleep. Lose limp and relax. Lose limp and relax. With each and every breath you exhale, allow yourself to go deeper and deeper. Sleep. Right. Completely loose. Limp and relax. Continue to go deeper and deeper. Deeply relax. Completely relax. With each and every breath you exhale, allow yourself to go deeper and deeper. I'll count from 10 to 0 with each every sentence. And every time I do that, you go 10 times deeper and faster than before. 1, 2, 3. Open your eyes and come back. Open your eyes and come back. And sleep. Very, very deeply and comfortably relax. Very, very deeply and comfortably relax. 1, 2, 3. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. And sleep. Very, very deeply and comfortably relax. With each and every breath you exhale, allow yourself to go deeper and deeper. That's right. Now at the count of 3, when you open your eyes, you will feel fantastic, feel wonderful, feel really happy, and really enjoy. 1, feel the energy coming back into your body now. 2, become aware of your surroundings. 3, open your eyes and notice how good you feel. Now, this, keep looking at your hand. Make it tight, 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 tight. Imagine, see, what I'm doing here, touching him to know that the hand is really tight. Tight, tight, tight. Keep looking at your hand. Keep looking at your hand and sleep. Very, very deeply and comfortably relax. Sleep. Sleep. Very deeply relax. See, anything what you're doing imagination game, you can convert them into hypnosis. All imagination games are actually a hypnotic induction. 1, 2, 3, open your eyes and come back feeling fantastic, feeling better. You can separate your hand. Yes, come back. 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Give all of them a round of applause for being my thing. Huh? Good. You enjoyed that?